Here's a video of the 99% completed stockyard. Here's gate number 18, and you can see some of the feeding troughs in there. We're just going to walk down. I used probably more glue, or the glue cost more than building all the parts for this. Here's a few cows down on this end, and here's the building on the other end. And I might point out, there's the ladders, one of the ladders that was built using the 3D printer. And the building here, the small red building with the silver roof, that's out of the quality meat packing stockyard kit. And what I did was I took the front off and I made my own fencing here. And this would be for the sheep. I got some coming today, so I'll be putting them out there. But I might build some more the troughs and consider one for water and one for food. So, but anyway, that's what she looks like, put together. And yesterday I was doing some testing with the train again, and it works pretty good. So I'm pleased with it so far. It is not glued down. Because I still want to put something behind it, and then eventually, after it's glued down to the table, then I'll do some dirt and hay and stuff like that on the bottom of it. But it was a lot of gluing together. It took about a week to glue it together. It's done in 3 sections. It was like 6 gates, 5 gates, and then 7 gates. And then they were joined out here. So, but anyway, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye.